Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuation from Surah Hud after verse 111. Therefore stand firm in the straight path as you are commanded, along with those who have turned to Allah with you, and do not exceed the bounds, for He sees everything you do. Do not incline towards those who do wrong, lest the fire touch you, for then you would have none to protect you from Allah, and you will not be helped. Say your prayers morning and evening, and during parts of the night. Surely, Allah makes amends for evil. This is a reminder for people who pay heed. Be steadfast, for surely Allah does not let the wages of the righteous be wasted. Why then were there not among the generations before you upright men who would speak out against the spread of corruption on earth, except for the few whom we saved? But the wrongdoers pursued their worldly pleasures and thus became guilty. Your Lord would never unjustly destroy communities while their people were trying to reform. If your Lord had wished, He would have made mankind into one community. As it is, they will not cease to dispute, and to his this end He has created them all, except for those to whom your Lord has shown mercy. The word of your Lord shall be fulfilled. I will fill hell with jinn and men altogether. We have told you the stories of the prophets to make your heart firm, and in these accounts truth has come to you with an exhortation and a reminder for the believers. Say to those who do not believe, you do things in your way, and we are doing things in our way. And wait, we too are waiting. The knowledge of the secret of the heavens and the earth belongs to Allah alone, and to Him shall all affairs be referred. So worship Him and put your trust in Him alone. Your Lord is not unaware of what you do. End of Surah Hud.